What do YouTube? It's your boy UNITY, you are not into me. This topic right here. They for my homies. This for my little bros, man. I know y'all probably ain't had this conversation. Y'all probably don't need to have this conversation, but it's like, alright, why not? Why not? Let's talk about it. Right? We're all human. We're human. We all done been there. You a cap if you say otherwise. I don't give a fuck who you is, nigga. If you are currently in the process of touching yourself inappropriately on your own disregard, that is completely and utterly your decision. I don't give a fuck what you really do with yourself, but this is just my advice and my opinion. This is my opinion. You dig? So, female, I'm gonna get the females too. Matter of fact, this for both genders. Look. If you touching yourself to, number one, to get this feeling, like if you done got so addicted to this feeling of pleasure by yourself, like you literally fucking yourself, dog, because you, first of all, look, we all don't. If you doing it because, number one, like for example, for me, the last time, oh my god, the last time I touched myself is because, number one, when none of my hoes picking up. That's pretty much it. When none of the hoes picking up. So what I did, you know, you get lonely. You get lonely at night. You turn your head to your empty spot in your bed. You just like, you know what? I'm just joking. But you feel me, bro? Just look. If you doing it for reasons like you can't stop and like you just addicted to it and you just love the feeling, bro, you have to occupy yourself. Like that's literally the only thing you can do. Cause I'm trying to put myself in your position. Like if I love doing something that much, bro, as far as pleasuring myself, female too, you have to. Cause listen, first of all, females, you are making it. It's gonna be loose, like that ain't gonna be whoosh, man. Like, don't, bro. Let that thing just sit there. Let it collect dust. I'm telling you, bro, because you want that thing to be as possible. Trust me. Ain't nothing like a nigga when he stay in you and that thing. Do you not know what go through our mind? Nigga, we imagine the whole train, nigga. Like, we think that you done been ran through. Like, how was your oh, I know why. Cause you over there choke me. Like, you over there going crazy with the shit. Putting logs in your shit. Cause you done got so goddamn. Yeah. Stop playing. But then you got some females out there who do it moderately, responsibly, and they use like the right size, like you feel me? Is it? You dig what I'm trying to say though, like, you know what I'm saying? So they good, but the ones who just go crazy and they just like they're trying to kill it, like beat that bitch like it stole something from them, like yeah, they're the ones who gonna be hello. Alright, back to my dudes. Look, that has repercussions to it too, and consequences. Once you do it for so long, I know it's you're not gonna be able to function when you get in front of a real girl, bro. Like, if you keep doing this to yourself, bro, you're subconsciously programming your mind like, okay, nigga, I get hard to the screen and what I see on the screen versus reality. Like, that's what you're basically doing, bro. So when you get in front of a, you dig, and you dig, and you about to, you dig, it ain't gonna work out. It ain't. She gonna be like, does it work? You gonna be like, shit, it did when I was doing it. When I was using it, it was working. Yeah, maybe use you. You're gonna be all insecure. You're gonna feel offended. You're gonna kick her out. It's just bad for the whole environment. Just don't. Feel me? And if you do it in moderation, like one time a year, right? Cause I'm telling you, bro, ain't nothing like the pussy. Ain't nothing like sweet pussy, sweet coochie, sweet coochie, as we say down south. Like ain't nothing like sweet coochie. The darker the berry. I said the darker the berry, the darker the berry, the sweeter the juice. You know what I'm saying? Why am I stuttering on purpose? Who does that? Listen, just control it, and it all really it stimulate from your mind. I'm telling you, like, listen, bro, it's all about discipline of the mind, bro. I'm telling y'all niggas, bro. Once you learn your mind, bro, and can learn how to control your thoughts, like for example, if that thought came in your head while you just in the bed bored, yo, let me beat the chicken. Examine that thought. Be aware of the thought, and say, no, I will not beat the chicken. Controlling your thoughts one-on-one. There you go. You have to really fight that shit, niggas. I know y'all young boys doing it, bro. I was doing it for a little bit when I was young, bro. So I know the curse goes on. It's a part of life. You get curious. But to go to the extent that young boys are doing it now, I know y'all going crazy, nigga. Let your parents say, hey, man, we finna go to the store. What you want? Everything. Just to give your ass enough time to have a whole session by yourself. Like, bro, come on. That ain't cool, man. That ain't cool. If you still doing it, ain't cool, bro. I really could listen. One, I want you to keep that potent energy. That's all potent in my dudes, bro. Y'all got that potent energy down there, bro. You are the creators of life. You dig what I'm saying, bro? So keep that energy and keep it down there, bro. And it's gonna help you. How I say, you keeping that energy down there for a minute while you striving for greatness and trying to achieve greatness, bro. It's gonna keep you on your wits. It's gonna keep you sharp. But if you releasing that energy, bro, and you just giving it away to the screen, I guess, you wasting it. And two, you're not gonna be able to. You're gonna feel depressed. It's gonna bring your emotions down. It's gonna make you judge yourself, and then you're gonna feel disgusted, and you just gonna, you know what I'm saying, bro? All this negative, weird energy that you don't really need right now, bro. I'm telling you, bro. 2021 is gonna be the best motherfucking year for some people, not for everybody, but for some people who fuck with me, bro. I'm telling y'all, bro. I'm gonna put y'all on game. I'm gonna keep you on your wits. Hey, man, I love every single one of y'all, man. For the subscribers and unsubscribe, fuck you. You know why? Because I got 3 subscribers. It was 3 that unsubscribed. I was at 394 yesterday, and then I woke up, it was 391. And then today, later on, it's back to 394. You dig what I'm saying, bro? Fuck you. I would have had 398. I would have been close to my goal. But y'all praying on the nigga downfall. So fuck you. I'ma get it without you. You dig what I'm saying? Anyway, let me calm down if I get mad for real. That's all I got to say for real about that shit. Like, just, hey man, don't do it for real. Study, read a book, do anything that's gonna take your mind off that shit. Cause you not doing it, it's gonna be good for you more than you doing it, bro. That's all I can tell you. You dig what I'm saying, bro? And for my ladies, if you smoke cigarettes, get off my channel.